everyone, this is Joannes and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is October 28, Wednesday, around 9 o'clock in the morning here in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, USA. So today is the third day of the ice storm here in our area. We are still experiencing heavy rains, strong winds, but the ice, some portions of the ice in our backyard and front yard were already melted. And today right now it's around 33 or 34 degrees Fahrenheit, but it kind of feels like it's around 20s. It's kind of cold, but not as cold as yesterday. So I'll show you our backyard. So we still have some parts that's kind of icy, but you can really tell that those ice are in the process of melting. Gosh. Look at that. My goodness. It's kind of messy out here, but I couldn't imagine some other residents that after this storm they're gonna be busy because of so many damages that this storm caused to them, to their backyards, to their properties. There are still so many houses and buildings that are on power outage. They haven't gotten their power back. But hopefully after this storm, everything is gonna go back to normal, even if it's gradually. I guess that's it for now, guys. It's kind of getting cold out here, so I need to go back inside. And my dog, she's starting to become kind of loud. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Stay safe. Bye.